Lift the water chamber from the basin of the icon and fill with water to the maximum fill line. Never fill the water chamber while it is in the device. Replace the water chamber back into the basin of the icon by lining up the arrow on the circular chamber grip to face toward the elbow. Fit the chamber lid by lining up the large dot on the chamber lid with the large dot on the top of the device. When the two symbols are aligned, apply downward force and turn clockwise to align the large dot with the small dot on the top of the device. When the chamber lid is locked into place, it should be flush with the icon, with no gaps for air to leak. It can now be used as a handle for lifting.